How to unblock someone on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you two different ways to unblock a contact on your Android device. First method, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap the three dots at the top right to open the menu. Tap Settings, then tap Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap Blocked Contacts to see a full list of everyone you've blocked. Find the contact you want to unblock, tap on their name, then tap Unblock to confirm. Second method, go back to your WhatsApp chats and find the conversation with the person you want to unblock. Tap on their name at the top of the chat to open their contact info. Scroll down and you'll see the unblock option right there. Tap it and they'll be unblocked instantly. Keep in mind, once you unblock someone, they'll be able to message you again and see your status updates. However, any messages they sent while they were blocked will not come through. Those are gone for good. And that's it. If this guide helped you unblock someone on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.